What if some mythical creatures were never just made-up stories? For hundreds of years, people around the world have reported seeing strange creatures in forests, oceans, lakes, and mountains. Most people call these stories fake, but some legends never disappear, and some sightings are just too strange to ignore. So today we're looking at 7 mythical creatures that might still be alive. And trust me, some of these are more terrifying than you think. Number 7. The Kraken. Deep in the ocean, sailors once feared a giant creature hiding beneath the waves. A monster so huge it could drag entire ships underwater. They called it the Kraken. For many years, people believed it was only a scary sea story. But then scientists discovered something real that sounded very similar: the giant squid. These creatures live deep in the ocean, far away from human eyes. They are massive, powerful, and incredibly mysterious. Even stranger, some whales have been found covered in huge scars, believed to be from battles with giant squid. That means something huge is still living in the deep sea. And if creatures like that are real, who knows what else could still be hiding down there? Maybe the Kraken was never fully a myth. Maybe it was just a real monster turned into a legend. Number 6. Bigfoot. In the forests of North America, thousands of people claim they've seen something terrifying. A giant hairy creature walking like a human. This is Bigfoot, also known as Sasquatch. People describe it as tall, powerful, covered in dark hair, and able to move quietly through the trees. Some say it leaves behind huge footprints. Others claim they heard strange screams at night, and some believe they were being watched while camping alone in the woods. What makes this even stranger is that Bigfoot stories are very old. Long before cameras and the internet, native tribes already told stories about giant wild beings living in the forest. Many people think Bigfoot is fake, and yes, some sightings could be hoaxes. But with so much deep wilderness still unexplored, some believe Bigfoot could still be hiding out there. Number 5. The Yeti. High in the snowy mountains of the Himalayas, there is a legend of a giant beast covered in thick fur. This creature is known as the Yeti, also called the abominable snowman. For generations, climbers, explorers, and villagers have reported strange footprints in the snow. Large footprints, in places where almost nobody should be. Some people believe the Yeti could be a hidden species of ape or another unknown mountain creature. Others say it could simply be a bear seen from a distance. But not every sighting is easy to explain, because the Himalayas are cold, dangerous, and incredibly remote. If any creature could stay hidden from the world, it would be there. And that's why the legend of the Yeti still refuses to die. Number 4. The Loch Ness Monster. Deep in a lake in Scotland, many believe a giant creature still swims beneath the surface. This is Nessie, also known as the Loch Ness Monster. People describe Nessie as a long-necked creature moving silently through the dark water. For years, there have been blurry photos, eyewitness reports, and even strange sonar readings. Most people think it's fake. Others believe it could be a giant, unknown animal hiding in the lake. And what makes it creepy is this: Loch Ness is deep, dark, and difficult to fully explore. So even after all these years, no one can say for sure what is really down there. Maybe it's nothing, or maybe something is still moving under the water. Number 3. The Chupacabra. In parts of Latin America, people began reporting a terrifying creature attacking animals during the night. This creature became known as the Chupacabra. Its name means goat sucker. According to witnesses, it was thin, creepy-looking, with glowing eyes, sharp teeth, and a strange animal-like body. People said it would appear in the dark and leave behind dead animals with unusual wounds. Some believe it was just a sick coyote or wild dog, but others think the creature looked far too strange to be something normal. And even today, people still claim to see it. Whether it's a real, unknown animal or just fear turned into legend, the Chupacabra remains one of the creepiest creatures ever reported. Number 2. Mothman. In the 1960s, people in West Virginia reported seeing a terrifying creature in the night sky. A tall, dark figure with giant wings and glowing red eyes. They called it Mothman. Witnesses said it flew through the darkness and moved in ways that didn't seem normal. Some even believed it appeared before disasters in strange events. That made the story even more frightening. Many people think Mothman was just a large bird or mass panic, but others believe something real was seen because too many people reported nearly the same thing. And even today, some still believe Mothman never truly disappeared. Number 1. Mermaids. For centuries, sailors told stories about mysterious creatures living in the sea, beautiful beings with the upper body of a human and the tail of a fish. These were known as mermaids. Most people see mermaids as pure fantasy, but some believe old sightings may have come from real sea creatures like manatees or dugongs, especially when seen from far away in rough water. Still, not every ocean story has been explained, and that's what keeps this legend alive, because the ocean is still one of the least explored places on Earth. And if strange creatures exist anywhere, the sea would be the perfect place to hide them. So maybe mermaids are only stories, or maybe something human-like still watches from beneath the waves. The Kraken, Bigfoot, the Yeti, Nessie, the Chupacabra, Mothman, and mermaids. 7 mythical creatures that some people believe might still be alive. Maybe they're only legends. Maybe they're misunderstood animals. Or maybe our world still hides creatures we were never meant to find. So if one of these had to be real, which one would scare you the most? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more mystery videos.